Set your laptop up to your flat-screen TV. Purchasing new gadgets will require your attentiveness to details. You should be familiar with the technical specifications of these items. Browsing through their instruction manual is important for their long-term maintenance. Nowadays, laptops and flat-screen televisions have been in demand in the market. Due to modern advances, consumers today have gained access to these products. Moreover, consumers have always been updating their knowledge about these global innovations. If buying a laptop or a flat-screen television can be such a breeze for most people, setting them up may require more technological know-hows. Even more complicated is setting up a laptop with a flat-screen television. Here are the steps that you should follow. Check the connections. The first thing that you must do is to check the connections of your laptop and TV. Determine if they have an analog connection, connector known as D-sub. Then look at the back portion of the TV and search for the female connection. This outlet is hexagon-shaped. Buy VGA cable. Once you have determined that both your television and laptop have analog connection, then buy a VGA cable, high quality and with 2 male endpoints. It should also have 15 pins. The size of the cable should be 6 up to 10 feet. Plug cable. Prepare the VGA cable that you purchased. Before plugging in the cable to the ends of the TV and laptop, make sure that they are both turned on. Switch the TV into one of the auxiliary channels. To determine if you are on the right track and you got the correct channel, you must be able to view the screen of the laptop on the television screen. Adjust the laptop's screen resolution. The next step is to adjust the screen resolution of your laptop. There are some laptop models that will adjust the resolution automatically, but some will need manual tuning. Make sure that you are familiar with the specification of your laptop. Since the TV has a very clear picture with outstanding color, contrast, and brightness, you also need an excellent resolution on the laptop. Feel free to explore, or you can directly go to the control panel to find more ways on adjusting screen resolution. If you have Windows Vista, here's how you can easily manage resolution via the control panel. Select Adjust/Modify Screen Resolution, can be found below Personalization and Appearance. Adjust Screen Resolution, highest setting is 1280 x 800, and then Customize Colors, 32-bit. Now you can work with your laptop using the TV screen. Once you have mastered the steps on hooking up these two electronic items together, it will be easier for you to do setup for presentations at work. If problems occur while doing this, review the instruction manuals of both the laptop and the TV. You can also contact the service providers or manufacturers if you experience persistent difficulties. They may refer experienced IT people to help you in troubleshooting technical problems with your devices.